yan? Giovanni ko? Ha? Inubos nyo na? Ilantakan nyo na yan? Baka hindi kayo makatulog niya. Puro chocolate. Did you sleep ba, kuya? Anong maybe? Do not lie. Did you sleep, yes or no? What's your answer? What? You don't know. When you don't know and you said maybe, that means you did not. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yes. Diba? Ikaw pala natulog eh. How about you, Gio? Did you sleep? Yes or no? Ay! Nabasag. Gio, matapon. Ubus na halos, Rael, oh. Sino nag-ubos? It's you and Gio. Lupa Gio, oh. Ay, talagang hindi titigilan. Mag-water kayo, ha? Okay? Huwag nyo yan sa computer.